Hi, it's Catherine here from Lullaby Lodge. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the blanket stitch. I'm also going to show you how to change colours in case you would like to add stripes or a colour block effect to your project. I'm using a 5mm hook and some Aran weight yarn, which is the equivalent of worsted. I'm going to put a slip knot on my hook. Now we need to make our foundation chain. It needs to be a multiple of 3 plus 1. So for these dishcloths I started with a chain of 34. So let's count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So we have a multiple of 3 plus 1 extra stitch. So we're going to start by putting a double crochet into our 4th chain from the hook. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4 in here. We're now going to skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and put a single crochet in the next one. We're then going to put 2 double crochets into that same stitch. Skip the next 2 and then single crochet, followed by 2 double crochets all into that same stitch. Now you're going to repeat this across until you get to the last 3 stitches. You're going to skip 2 and put a single crochet into that last stitch. We're now going to chain 3 and turn. Now this row is the row that you're going to repeat. You're going to put a double crochet into that same place as the turning chain, into that first stitch. We're going to skip the next 2 stitches and look for the single crochet from the previous round. We're going to put a single crochet in there and 2 double crochets in the same place. And we'll repeat across, skip 2, find that single crochet, put another single crochet in there, 2 double crochets as well, and repeat this until the end of your row. Here we are at the end of the row, and we're just going to finish by putting a single crochet into this chain space here. Then we'll chain 3 and turn, and just rinse and repeat until your project is as long as you want it to be, or until you want to change colour. So I've worked to the end of this row and I'm going to change colour now. So I'm going to start to put that single crochet into that chain space at the end, and instead of yarning over and pulling through, I'm going to yarn over with the new colour and finish off that single crochet stitch with the new colour. You'll need to just pull that tight a little bit. Then chain 3 and turn, and continue as usual for your 1 row repeat. This is how it looks with another row added, and when you finish your project simply fasten off and weave in your ends. You can get a free baby blanket pattern crocheted in the blanket stitch on my blog. I will link it in the description below. And if you like this video, then why don't you check out my other stitch tutorials right here on YouTube. Bye bye now.